First and foremost, I wish to express my heartfelt thanks to each of you for being here today. Your presence signals not only the importance of this discussion, but also the urgency in which we must confront issues before us. Today's dialogue is deeply significant for us here at UKZN because it speaks directly to one of our most pressing priorities, which is the fight against the gender-based violence.
Today, we came together under the banner of 30 years of democracy. How far have we gone on women empowerment in South Africa? This is not just a general topic, but a call for decisive action.
Women's Day is a solemn reminder of the courage of the women who marched in 1956, declaring loudly and clearly that they would not be silent in the face of injustice and inequality.
We take this moment and honor this moment as we are having a Women's Day dialogue which unites young women, academics, community leaders, the faith-based sector, artists, government, and survivors. This convening that is happening made possible through the collaboration between the Symphony by the Water, the University of KwaZulu-Natal, and also ourselves as the department that is responsible for women, youth, and persons with disability. We embody the spirit of partnership. Our country needs to meet its most urgent challenges. I want to also say that as we speak throughout, our message should consider solidarity, conviction, and shared determination. This year, the theme Empowering Women, Transforming Societies, and Surviving the Gender-Based Violence Pandemic demands urgency.
Faces and names to the people who commit these crimes. Let the list of perpetrators be known. Let's know who's this person who's raping people. And we can't have a society where we're like, stop, but we don't know who it is. We don't have names and faces to those people. Let them be known, let them be shamed publicly.
Women that are less educated or uneducated are 2 to 3 times more likely to get to be abused. Women that are not independent financially and otherwise are just as much more likely to be subjected to abuse. So that says something about where we should be having our focus, amongst others, into trying to ensure that we reduce the level of GBV for women.
There's a lot of research now that shows that people that have very traumatic childhood experiences. So, for example, you get beaten up by your parents, you lose your one or two of your parents as a child, you have severe bullying at school, you have neglect, and those kinds of things. That person that goes through that, when they are adults, they are much more at risk of a plethora of different medical as well as mental health related problems.
My takeaway of the events that we just had was that it was really eye-opening to see, number one, the university offers these opportunities for young people, especially in the university, get a chance to have these programs to develop our leadership skills. We have this program to have an eye-opening perspective on gender-based violence.
My take from today's event is that it was really empowering when it came to women, and I liked how the one speaker gave us an opportunity to have a dialogue with each other, and I got to see the different views that people have when it comes to GBVF.